In this video, you will learn how to connect Gohighlevel landing page to meta ads. Copy your landing page URL. In Gohighlevel, go to your funnel or website, then copy the URL published by your landing page. Open your Meta Ads Manager, log into your Facebook or Meta Ads Manager account where you've set up your ad campaign. Create a new campaign, click create or choose a campaign objective, such as conversions or leads, then proceed. Set up the ad set, define the audience, budget, placement and schedule in your ad section. Create an ad and paste your landing page link. In the ad creation section, choose your format, then paste your Gohighlevel landing page URL in the website URL field. Review and publish the ad. Double check all your settings, then publish the ad. Start sending traffic to your Gohighlevel landing page. Now you know how to connect a Gohighlevel landing page to meta ads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.